Hello Odoers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to send mail to the configuration based on assigned user in created new tickets. So let's see about that. You can see here our module, they'll help this notification. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to help base, go to settings and see here this notification user is a demo. Let's say you. Now create ticket and see here this mail is successfully sent. Go to settings, email, and your created ticket number is 32 and display here this new ticket is created with ticket number. Please check ticket entry cards and display here this user's email. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.